In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn up to $500 for every article that you're going to write. Actually, you don't even have to write anything. It will be done for you. You're not going to need to pay for anything either, and you don't need any skills or experience. You just need any device that you already have and an internet connection. And then you're going to follow the simple steps that I'm going to be showing you today. So, if you guys want to know exactly what I'm talking about, then be sure to pay close attention to every single money-making minute of this short video. If today's method sounds good to you, smash that like button and let's get into it. In fact, let's start with a crazy recommendation. Just click the first link in the description box and you can get access to a done-for-you software that helps you go from $0 to $500 a day as a complete beginner. But please keep in mind that this is only available for the first 25 people who click the first link in the description and sign up. So if it's still available, you can get access to a done-for-you system and see the best way to make money online. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. So, the name of the website that we are going to be using is called Jasper.ai, and it's supposed to be the future of writing. Basically, this is the ultimate tool for anybody that wants to start making content and start making money online. Before going on the website, you're going to go on Google and you're going to look up Jasper Content Creation. Then, scroll down until you see Jasper.ai. But you don't want to click on the website. Instead, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and click on where it says Free Trial. When you sign up for the free trial, you can start making money without having to pay for the software. However, even if you have to pay for the software, it won't be that expensive. It's only about $30 to $40 every month. Okay, so once you sign up for the free trial, you will be able to start making money before the free trial ends. To sign up, all you have to do is fill in your information, and once you're on your account, you're going to see your dashboard, and at the bottom, you're going to see free video training that is going to show you all the ways that you can make money using the software. Today, we're going to make money from using blog posts, but if you click on templates over here, you're going to see all the different things that the software can do. It can create blog posts for you. It can start creating Facebook ads, Google ads, Amazon product listing, YouTube video scripts, and much more. Okay, so all you want to do is click on where it says Documents, and then click on where it says Blog Post Workflow. Then, after that, what you want to do is enter the topic of the article you want to write. So, the job you're going to get is going to determine the article that you'll write. But before that, let me show you a very quick example of how this works. So, let's say you want to make an article about losing weight. You can type in something like "the fastest way to lose weight" in the keywords box and then click on Continue. It's then going to ask you for the title of your article. So you can create your own title, or you can click on where it says Generate Ideas, and it's going to basically come up with brand new fresh titles that you can use for your blog post. So, for example, they have "The Fastest Way to Lose Weight" and "How to Shred Pounds Quickly" and a lot more, and you can just use one of these. When you start with this, you're going to have so many options, and the one thing that you just need to remember and keep in mind is that it is important for you to choose the best sounding one, because that will most likely get you the most money. This is something that you're going to be able to tell on your own. You're going to know what the trend is, and you're going to know what's going to capture people's attention. Because if it captured your attention, then obviously it's going to capture other people's attention. The next thing that it's going to ask you for is your intro paragraph. And again, you're going to click on Generate Ideas, and it's going to basically write a paragraph for you. After that, you're going to click on the intro paragraph that you like the best, and again, find something that attracts your attention. If you want to generate more ideas, you can click on Generate More Ideas. Everything that they show you is original content, so you're not going to find this article anywhere else on the internet. Okay, so once you have found the one that you like, scroll down to the bottom and click on where it says Open Editor. Here, you're going to start typing in your first article. So it already wrote the intro paragraph for you, and all you then want to do is write the first sentence of the next paragraph. For example, we can put "the fastest way to lose weight," and then you want to click on where it says Compose, and it's literally going to start creating an entire article for you. All you have to do is type in the first sentence and that's it. It's going to write everything else for you. It's a really amazing way to start making original content of your own. Half of them being your own ideas and half of them being the bot's ideas. So you never have to sit there for hours trying to come up with the next sentence or the next paragraph, because all you really have to do is give it a little start, and after that it's going to do the rest for you. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do is type in the second thing that you want to write about, and then click on Compose, and it's going to start automatically generating the entire article for you. That's literally all you're gonna do. Just enter a few little ideas here and boom, that's it. Once you're done writing the article, all you need to do is click on Back, and then you're gonna see your very first article in your document. And anytime you want to edit it or maybe change something up or use it again, you're gonna click on it and it's gonna open up and you can continue typing. Check this out, you can even give your article a tone of voice, like Siri or Alexa. You can even add in certain keywords that you want your article to use, and the next time you click on Compose, it's going to automatically add those keywords. What you're going to do next is copy your article, and then you're going to go to Google Docs. Create a Google Docs account if you don't have one already, and then click on Blank. On here, you're going to copy and paste your brand new article, so you'll be able to save it as a PDF and start sending it out to clients and customers that are going to pay you for this. So go ahead and paste your article onto the doc. Then where it says File, click on Download, and you're going to download it as a PDF file, and that's basically it. Anytime you want to create a brand new blog article, just go back to Jasper.ai, click on the plus icon next to Documents, click on Blog, and start creating your new article. Now I'm going to show you some websites where you can sell your articles. The first website is called Upwork.com. So on here, you're going to want to sign up and create a brand new account. Once you're logged in, click on where it says Find Work, and then click on Find Work for your skills, and search for something like blog writer. Then you're going to see a lot of blog article jobs that have been posted by real clients and real people from all over the world. Some are going to pay you $10, some $30, and some are even going to pay you $100. So all you have to do is sign up to Upwork and start looking through jobs. Apply and start making money right now. The second website that you can apply for is called Freelancer.com. Again, the same thing. Sign up for a free account and browse through the jobs. You're going to look for blog articles by clicking on Search, and it's going to show you all the blog article job listings. By the way, if you want to do article editing, you can also do that with Jasper.ai. So go ahead and start making some extra money today. And that wraps up today's tutorial. If you've learned something new today, be sure to hit the thumbs up button down below and comment any thoughts or questions that you might have. We love hearing from you guys. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you can be alerted every time we upload a brand new money-making method that you simply do not want to miss out on. See you in the next video.